Hi, good day. Hi, I'm Niklas.
Hi, I'm Pravin, Guinness World Records adjudicator. Please come in.
Thank you
Welcome.
so much for having me.
No, absolutely delighted.
I'm excited. So we already pulled an A380 and now we want to move the London Eye with a cordless drill driver. So
Wow.
what exactly do we have to prove?
So you have to prove a controlled and a measurable movement of the London Eye. So the distance moved is the rotational distance of the outer rim. It has to move a minimum of 50 centimeters. If any movement is caused by anything other than the cordless power drill, it will be disqualified. If the measurement is unclear, if there's wind, there's imbalance, then it will be disqualified.
The original hydraulic drive system is about 1,000 times more powerful than our drill. So does that make this impossible?
Record breaking is never easy. This is a challenging attempt, and I think that's why you're here to rise to the challenge. I'll be there to witness and verify technical undertaking that will be officially amazing.
So if we move it safely, cleanly, with all evidence in place, then
Then you have a valid Guinness World Records attempt.
so thanks a lot. I'm very excited. I'm sure this will be a great attempt.